play. You push it harder. You have to talk.
Even
Yeah, I know.
can you do my buttons for me? Never mind. It's just the top one.
Yeah, it's
Cody,
recording.
black up. 5.
They're killing themselves too.
You watch this. It's funny. This is funny. Those guys right there. It's so funny.
Yeah, just get right in there. Oh, they're not all in one spot. They're in 2.
Just wait. There you go.
Watch that one will die. One's running on
pushing,
him.
no shoving. Patience is a virtue. They swarm like locusts. They are coming from all sides.
Not too shabby.
These undead marauders don't quit. Bring it on, beast.
You're so stupid.
Mob control.
Why?
You can see through.
Yeah,
Coming from all directions.
You actually have to tuck it in.
I don't know, but I'm going to.
360 degrees of hungry. Could use some help.
See, they're like killing themselves.
Yeah. Best part about the game.
Oh,
Just announcing it for the viewers.
they are coming from all sides.
Yeah, you know they can all hear you too, right?
Mob control. Coming from all directions.
Man, if I leave this on for like days at a time, what would happen?
I don't know, it just probably screw up or something.
I've seen this band. Instinct, right? I am surrounded by rot here.
To think all those people were actually shooting them when they pulled this glitch.
Bring it on, beast.
Big dumbass.
You can only
Can I
get
throw
this
a
close
grenade?
if I get
Go
your
ahead.
vote. 360 degrees of hungry. Could use some
It
help.
didn't work.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Mob control.
Oh,
Awesome.
oh, now there's a bunch of little crows.
Instinct, right? I'm surrounded. Give me a hand.
They're like a bunch of little crawlers killing themselves for no reason.
Oh my god, they keep coming.
Oh, they're still coming.
Oh,
Come on. We're like out of ammo.
oh, we've been out of ammo for
How
a while.
good do I look? What?
Gay. You look really gay. Like if you cut your hair, you could pass for a dude.
Could use some supporting fire here.
You gotta walk like that.
Too many of them. 0 times 2.
She'll be
is
fired
still
for
0.
like the first day.
You're all gonna die.
I like it.
Wait, no, you already had a day.
So many shamblers.
No, all that we did today was watch safety videos. I like it.
360 degrees.
I look
of
really
Could use some
good.
help.
Now you sound British.
Surrounded by rock here.
Way better than
Guess I should have
Graham.
made those budget cuts. This was not in the presidential job
Keen as a bean.
You march to your doom.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm the bottom one. I have more money than you.
Yeah, but that's...
No autographs
That's
today.
just why.
Yeah, I'm the one who's always going in getting the max ammo and shit. So I die.
You
Oh,
march
yeah.
to your doom.
Oh yeah, we gotta show that nobody's come through that one window yet. Oh no, they did.
Undead marauders don't quit.
Finally.
They are coming from all
It
sides.
finally came through that window over there, right
Yeah. It
there.
was round 17
Wait,
they
that's
started.
yours,
From all directions.
Oh, it's ours.
Okay.
Hers was
Could
here
use
on
some
YouTube.
supporting fire
Just
here.
gonna email
I
me
got
with you.
I got it on America.
You can only get this close if I get your
Don't
vote.
you give me that look.
360 degrees of hungry. Could use some help.
You'd be sick.
They swarm
Oh,
like
yeah, thinking that's
locusts.
something funny to say.
I'll use a little
Yeah,
elbow
but I'm
room
sure
here.
these are funny YouTube videos.
There's too many of them.
YouTube's serious, Michelle.
And this
Everybody on
Hey.
YouTube is serious.
Instinct.
What?
They're starting to kill each other. See, look, that guy just
Yeah,
got
the
him.
round's over.
And the round's over. Oh my
And
god.
we didn't
even
shoot
one
one.
except for 2 grenades.
And I still have one left. Should we stop the video?
Yes!